Hello, my name is Mrs. Bruce, and I teach first grade at Bilta Elementary School in Bolingbrook, Illinois. My students are involved in research projects throughout the year and use both printed materials known as informational text and online resources to search for information about topics. The Common Core standards identify the text features for use in each grade level. This tutorial will demonstrate how to use the features of informational texts in the first and second grade standards. The features to be discussed are table of contents, glossary, the index, headings, bold print, captions, diagrams, and labels. Let's start with a discussion of what informational text is. Informational text is material that is printed to share information or facts with others. Informational texts are also called nonfiction texts. How can you tell if something is an informational text? Many times you will see photographs instead of drawings for the illustrations. The book will tell facts about a topic rather than a story. The call number in the library has numbers at the beginning instead of letters. There will be a few letters at the end to identify the author. Here is an example of a fictional text, not real, and an informational text. Both are about bees. Let's look at the table of contents. A table of contents is found near the beginning of a book, usually within the first 5 pages. In this book about bees, you can look at the table of contents to find the page that each section starts at. For example, if you want to find out where bees live, you would look at the table of contents, find the word live in a section or chapter title, and slide your finger across to find what page the section starts on. In this book, you would turn to page 9 to find out where bees live. A table of contents gives you a good place to start looking for information in a book. You don't need to read the whole book to find out where bees live. Another feature that will help you find a page quickly if you are looking for specific information is the index. The index is located near the back of the book, usually one of the last few pages. An index lists key words alphabetically, and next to those words are listed all the page numbers where you can find that word used in the book. If you are looking for information about the queen bee, we can see that the word queen can be found on pages 9, 13, and 14. Then we turn to those pages to find out more about the queen. Near the index in the back of the book is the glossary. A glossary is an alphabetical list of words and their definitions. A glossary sometimes contains the pronunciation and a picture or photo of the word as well. In this book about bees, we may have seen the word drone in the index. To find out what a drone is, we can look in the glossary and find out that a drone is a male bee. Headings are words, large words at the top of a page or section of a page that tells what that portion of the book is about. This will help you find a topic on a certain page after you have looked in the table of contents or the index to find the specific page that may have the answer to a question you have. The heading on this page is Where Do Bees Live? Bold print is a word or phrase printed in a darker text than the rest. Authors use this to emphasize words or phrases on a page. Many times, the words in bold print are the words that are defined in the glossary of a book. The word hive is in bold print on this page. Captions are short phrases found near photographs or images that give information about the pictures. Captions may be found above, below, or next to an image. Here is a caption found within the photo of a bee on the flower. The caption says, "A bee is gathering nectar." Diagrams are drawings, images, or sketches that are used to explain or to show relationships. Here is a diagram of the life cycle of a bee. Labels are used along with photos or diagrams to identify the parts of something and show where those parts are. Look at the labels of the parts of a bee. Now, let's see what you can remember about the various text features. This first section is an example of, is it an index, a caption, or the table of contents? A caption is correct. A caption is a short phrase that describes a picture or image. This is an example of, is this index, caption, or table of contents? Table of contents is correct. A table of contents lists the chapters or sections of a book in page order. This is an example of labels, index, or diagram. Labels is the correct answer. Labels identify the parts of a picture or image. This is an example of labels, index, or diagram. Index is the correct answer. An index is an alphabetical list of words, phrases, or topics in a book and the pages on which they can be found. Thank you for taking the time to learn more about the features of informational text. The photos of the bees were found using the Google image links listed on this page. Goodbye.